How to play Clash Royale on PC without emulator. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play Clash Royale on your PC without using any emulator. So let's get started. First of all, simply head over to the search engine and type in Google Play Store. So here is Google Play Store PC. Simply click on that and this is the first one that you gotta download. Click on it and you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So you're gonna click on download beta and then you'll be able to see it has downloaded. So simply double click on it and then it will open a window in front of you, that is the installation wizard. Simply wait for it to get loaded. So you'll be able to see a window interface pop up in front of you. And if you wish to change the location, you can do that and then click on install. Just wait for it to get installed, give the permission. Once it's installed, you'll be able to see something like this. So you're going to click on sign in with Google and then, so when you have signed in, you'll be able to see something like this. So you're going to give your account a name, click on looks good, and then you're going to accept the terms and conditions. And then just click on finish after giving your privacy documentation a read. And then you're going to go to the search bar over here, click on explore. And then you're going to type in Clash Royale over here. So I'm going to type in Clash Royale. And then you're going to press enter. And now here is Clash Royale. You can click on it and then you're going to click on install. Simply wait for the game to get installed and you can enjoy playing Clash Royale on your PC without any emulator. So that's how you can do it. And if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.